Welcome, here I've got ONEPLUS NORD CE 5G and let me show you how to manage camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and now we have to slide a little bit to general category. Here at the first place we have grid option, so when we tap on it we can pick between three types of grid lines. Let me start with 3 and 3. And now let's move back to camera. Here in the preview they appear. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. Let's move back to right corner settings, slide down to general, tap to grid, and let me show you 4 and 4. Now we can see more of them. And the last one option here is golden ratio, so we can see this type of view. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines, so they are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them or need another type, we have to move back to right corner settings, slide down to general, tap to grid and pick whatever we need or just turn them off. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.